Hello friends, in this lecture we will be discussing like and I like operator. Like and I like operators allows us to perform pattern matching against wildcard characters. Like are the case sensitive operators, whereas I like are case insensitive operator. There are two types of wild characters which are used with like and I like. The first one is percentage, which is used for sequence. For example, suppose ODE are the sequence. So we will use percentage operator in this case. Similarly, for single character, we use underscore. For example, n. In this case, we can just use underscore. The basic syntax of like and I like operator is select column name, table name, where the column at which we want to apply like operator, and then the condition with the help of wildcard characters. Suppose here I say I want to say that first letter is a single letter, and then there is fix ICKC, and then there are sequence of characters. So suppose here at underscore it is n, and at percentage sign it is ODE. So it becomes NNICK C and then ODE. In this way we can give the condition using the wildcard characters in like or I like. Let's see a few examples in MySQL as well. Suppose I have chosen two columns, employee number and first name from employees, and I want to see first name whose name starts with one character, and then NI is fixed, and then there are sequence of characters no matter what. Press enter. So there is no such first name are there in our table, so it returns none. Suppose I add two characters at first, so I get these columns whose first name is suppose SA here, and then NI, and after that there can be sequence of characters. Similarly, I can use here underscore as well, and I want to say that NI should be in between, and first two letters can be anything and the last two letters can be anything. So SQL will return with us all those letters, all those first name, where the first two words can be anything, then NI, and the last two words can be anything. Similarly, I can use percentage sign as well, that irrespective of the size of the first name, only the middle letter should be NI. If I run this, then I get all the first names whose starting letters can be anything, only the condition is that in between there should be NI. That's all for like and I like operator. Thanks for watching.